This is what I use when I'm having a difficult day. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to turn natural ingredients into natural products like this head-soothing recipe. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make your own head-soothing roll-on that pairs amazing with head and neck massage to help release tension from the normal day-to-day stress. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure you know that we are obsessed at Simply Earth to make it super easy to make your own natural products, and that's why we have this subscription box that can be delivered to your door and will give you everything you need to make this recipe. There's a new theme each month. This head-soothing roll-on is part of our DIY hair care box. When you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box, and we'll be using some of the ingredients from this box to make this recipe. You can also find everything I'm using to make this recipe at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY hair care box. You're going to want 10 drops of Simply Earth's Head Soothing Blend. This blend is our custom blend of essential oils that feels cooling on the skin, and it's great for helping soothe head tension. You're also going to want 10 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil. This is a carrier oil that we're using to dilute our essential oil. Feel free to swap it with another carrier oil if you want. We're also going to be using a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle and the labels from our recipe box. Let's make it. Making your own roll-ons is super easy. You just need to grab your roll-on bottle, remove this roller cap. You can use this handy tool from Simply Earth if you would like. I'm gonna add 10 drops of Simply Earth's Head Soothing Blend. Now I'm gonna fill it up the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. This roll-on is almost done. I just need to shake it up to get the essential oils evenly diluted throughout the carrier oil and label it. This recipe uses a 5% dilution rate, which is a little bit stronger than what we normally do for day-to-day recipes. You'll want to use this roll-on when your kids have way more energy than you do, or you have a big day at work, or have a big event coming up that you could just use some relaxing support. Just grab your roll-on and apply it to your pulse points. Breathe deeply to help you relax, or to help ease head tension. You can apply it to your neck and shoulders and give it a little massage. I love applying it across my forehead to help me relax after a strenuous day. I love to see what you make on social media, so take a picture of your amazing head soothing roll-on, share it with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth, and you'll automatically be entered into our hashtag #IMadeThis contest, and you could win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Follow for more natural recipes like this one, and don't forget to check out our Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box.